Okay, now the program will create a blank form for us called form1.cs, which is the file extension for C# projects. I'm going to delete this form and create my own. Right-click on Form 1 and select Delete. It will ask if you want to delete it. Just click OK. Now let's create a new form. Right-click on the name of your project here. See where it says CS Post. Select Add, then choose Windows Form. Name it Product Management Form to make it easy to understand. Product Management. You can add and either include .cs or leave it out. Normally, the project will automatically add this extension for you, so just click Add. Now you'll have a new form like this. Adjust the form size as needed. In my example, it's about like this. You can set the size here in the Properties window. On the right, select Properties. This window will pop up. And you can set the size right here. I'll set the width to about 1790 and the height to about 1180. Each person's screen might be different, so this depends on the screen you're developing on. Just adjust it as needed. For the start position, I'll set it to center screen, so when it opens, it will appear in the center of the screen. As for the text here, this is the text that appears on the product management form. You can change it to whatever you want as well. I'm going to change it to C#. Read SQL Server. So product management. Alright, just like that. Once you finish typing, you can just press enter. The text will appear right here at the very top on the title bar. Next, I'm going to run. The project wants to test it out. So go to Program.cs right here, see? In the Solution Explorer window, we're going to set it up there. The form that is set to open right now is Form 1. If we run it now, it will give us an error, because we already deleted Form 1 earlier. So we need to replace it with this name Product Management Form. Just type it in here, Product Management Form, and you can press Enter or Tab. See, I pressed Enter. It will automatically add it for us. So click Save, then go to the Build menu and do a rebuild once, or you can just build. Here, I'll click Rebuild. After that, test it by clicking the Start button. Let's test it first. Now our product management form is working now. There are no errors here, so we can continue designing the form. Let's go to the product management form.